These are no wolves in winter's shroud. My dearest love, don't fear the sound. It's only snowfall on the peaks, whispering secrets ancient deep. So walk with me and fear no night.
These are no giants in fierce war. My dearest love, don't tremble more. They're only shadows on the walls, echoes of long forgotten calls. So walk with me and fear no night.
That is a wild horse's cry you hear. So breathe again, there's nothing near. It's only birds in silent trees, drawing their tails upon the breeze. So walk with me and fear no night.
I know how hard it is to go through valleys where the restless horses roam, where even heaven's lights fade slow, yet still they go. Our time lies sleeping in an elmwood grave, a final frame no voice could say.